Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest and greatest tools that are changing the game for DIY enthusiasts, professionals, and everyone in between. Today, we've compiled a list of 10 brilliant tools that you absolutely must see. From heavy-duty lifting to precise drilling, we've got you covered. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Number 1. The Makita Wheelbarrow DCU602 is a robust 4-wheel battery-powered tool designed for efficient hauling of heavy loads. Powered by two 18-volt LXD lithium-ion batteries in series, it boasts an increased maximum load capacity of up to 300 kilograms on flat ground, ensuring reliable performance even with hefty materials. With the option to install up to 4 batteries, extended runtime is achievable for tackling larger projects without interruption. Featuring 3 forward speeds and 1 reverse, controlled by a switch trigger, precise maneuverability is assured, complemented by electric and electromagnetic brakes alongside a hand lever-operated mechanical brake for safety. Additional convenience comes in the form of headlights, taillight, warning beeper, and a level gauge, enhancing visibility and safety in various working conditions. The swivel lock further improves maneuverability by fixing the direction of the rear tires. Overall, the Makita Wheelbarrow DCU602 combines power, efficiency, and safety features to streamline hauling tasks and boost productivity on the job site. Number 2. The Vever hand chain hoist, boasting a 1-ton capacity and a 20-foot come-along, is a robust tool tailored for industrial lifting tasks. Crafted from solid carbon steel, it exhibits exceptional impact and oxidation resistance, ensuring longevity for prolonged usage. Despite its rugged build, the hoist features a simple structure and compact size, facilitating easy transportation and maneuverability. A standout feature is its dual-pawl brake system, enhancing load safety by evenly distributing the load across gears. The industrial-grade alloy steel hook, with 360 degrees rotation capability, offers added convenience during lifting operations. Its premium G80 galvanized manganese steel chain provides high strength, toughness, and corrosion resistance in harsh environments. Equipped with a guided type leading chain device, the hoist ensures smooth operation, preventing chain jamming for uninterrupted performance. With its versatility and suitability for a wide range of applications, including mechanical installation and goods lifting in various industrial settings, the Vever hand chain hoist is an essential tool for enhancing productivity and efficiency. Number 3. The Fatt portable welding machine is a versatile tool designed for a range of welding tasks, from home DIY projects to professional applications and repairs. Using advanced IGBT inverter technology, it ensures superior arc welding performance with stability and minimized damage to copper and iron, resulting in less spatter and smoother welds. Its compact and portable design, measuring approximately 9.8 by 9.45 inches and weighing only 3.3 pounds, allows for one-handed operation and easy transport to different locations, supported by the included carrying case. With a real 20 to 120 amp welding output adjustable via a simple knob interface, it offers 6 variable current adjustments for precise control and optimal welding effects. Supporting rod sizes from 3/32 to 1/8 inch, 2.5 to 3.2 millimeters, and equipped with a hot arc start function, it facilitates easier arc initiation and produces beautiful welding pools. Safety features include a powerful heat dissipation system, specific overheat protection, and 360 degrees cooling technology, ensuring safe and stable operation for extended use. Widely applicable in machinery manufacturing, sheet metal processing, automotive maintenance, and more, this welding machine delivers quality and durability beyond expectations. Number 4. The Vever magnetic lifter features an 880 pounds, 400 kilograms lifting capacity, powered by N42 neodymium magnets, making it perfect for lifting steel sheets, blocks, rods, and more. With a 2.5 safety factor, it ensures reliable performance in various applications. Safety is ensured with a chrome-plated anti-collision handle and a safety switch, preventing accidental startup. The rubber-wrapped handle provides a comfortable grip. Crafted from high-strength steel with a chrome finish, the heavy-duty hook guarantees durability and rust resistance. Operating the lifter is simple with its flexible rotating shaft, allowing for easy switch control. The U-shaped bottom groove accommodates both flat plates and round steels, expanding its versatility. Ideal for industries like electricity, engineering, transportation, and mining, this permanent lift magnet is an essential tool for efficient and secure material handling. Number 5. The Labor 8-inch adjustable ratchet wrench offers efficiency and convenience with its one-touch switching on/off mechanism, eliminating the need for repetitive tightening and removal. Its wide jaw design and maximum jaw capacity of 1 inch, 25 millimeters, allow for versatility in tackling various fastener sizes. Crafted from chrome vanadium steel, this wrench ensures durability and longevity, while its non-slip elastomer grip provides comfort and control during use. Ideal for a range of applications including home improvement projects, automotive work, plumbing, air conditioner repair, bicycle repair, and furniture assembly, its tapered jaws facilitate easier access to tight spaces, offering increased clearance for obstructed and hard-to-reach fasteners. With a labor-adjustable ratchet wrench, users can work accurately, speedily, and with confidence, making it an essential tool for any toolbox or workshop. Number 6. The DXB Marine Jack is a versatile swivel-tongue jack designed for boat trailers and other trailer applications, boasting a 1,500 pounds capacity and 12 inches of total travel. Its side wind handle features an extra heavy screw drive and ergonomic grip for smooth operation and comfortable handling. The jack's heavy-duty polypropylene wheel, 8 inches in diameter and 3 inches wide, resists flat spots and cold weather cracking, ensuring durability in diverse conditions. Its swivel mechanism allows for easy positioning, up for towing or down for stowing, locking securely in either position for added stability and security during transport or storage. With its robust performance and convenience, the DXB Marine Jack is an indispensable tool for boat owners and trailer users, facilitating smooth and efficient trailer maneuvering. Number 7. The Crescent LKIN 100-foot Contractor chalk reel is a high-performance tool designed for professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts. It features a 6-to-1 gear ratio for efficient line deployment and a fold-away, rotating hub for faster rewind and reel protection during storage. With a single-hand hub lock, users can stop the line in place and snap lines with ease using just one hand, enhancing convenience and productivity on the job site. The nesting end hook retracts into a nested position, preventing unwanted snags and ensuring durability. The reinforced string is perfectly braided to strike a balance between chalk retention and reduced overspray, providing accurate and clean lines. Additionally, the one-way chalk refill valve allows for quick refills without the mess, while the quarter-turn release provides secondary access to the chalk box for added convenience. Overall, the Crescent LKIN 100-foot Contractor chalk reel offers durability, efficiency, and ease of use, making it an essential tool for marking precise lines in construction, carpentry, and other projects. Number 8. The Farm Jack, Felling Lever, and Stump Removal 3-in-1 tool is a versatile and essential tool for tree surgeons, farmers, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. It combines the functionality of a farm jack and a felling lever into one convenient tool, making it ideal for a variety of tasks. As a felling lever, it provides the safest way to guide trees when felling, ensuring controlled and precise cuts for increased safety and efficiency. Additionally, it can be used for lifting heavy logs off the ground, making it invaluable for forestry and logging operations. Constructed from reinforced cast iron, this tool is capable of lifting up to 3 tons, offering impressive strength and durability. Whether you're removing stumps, lifting logs, or guiding trees during felling, the Farm Jack, Felling Lever, and Stump Removal 3-in-1 tool is a must-have for any outdoor project or job site. Number 9. The Vever pipe locators offer highly accurate positioning with a 100 feet, 30 m signal line and electromagnetic induction principle. Its strong signal penetrates non-metal pipes within 0 to 40 centimeters and metal pipes within 0 to 15 centimeters, making invisible pipeline blockages visible. With a robust IP67 waterproof rating, these locators work in tough conditions, detecting blockages in both wet and dry pipelines. They come with 8 spare waterproof probes for easy replacement, solving clogged pipe issues for construction engineers and home users. Users can adjust sensitivity freely to determine blockage points accurately. 2 charging options, USB and direct lithium battery charging, ensure longer and more convenient operation. A full charge powers the transmitter for approximately 10 hours and the receiver for 5 hours, with a green low battery indicator for timely recharging. Complete with user manual, charging cable, earphone cable, waterproof probes, and adhesive, the Vever pipe locators are versatile tools for locating blockages in metal pipes, PVC pipes, water pipes, plastic pipes, and even wall nails. Number 10. The Diamond Wet Core Drill Yindi 1550P is designed for wet drilling applications in various materials such as natural stone, tiles, ceramic, porcelain, stoneware, glass, and reinforced concrete. It is suitable for creating blind or through holes for fitting connectors, gravestones, worktops, anchor holes, and mounting holes for switches. It is commonly used by tilers, stonemasons, and installation companies. Key features include advanced electronics with soft start, speed regulation, and constant speed, along with temperature and overcurrent cutoff for enhanced safety and control. The drill features a stainless steel spindle for durability and water supply control with on-off and stepless quantity control. It also includes a quick change system for efficient operation and can be used with a drill rig to keep it stationary. Additionally, it comes with a sintering device for precise drilling.